Hey there, YouTube. I'm Zach. This is a Honda Civic, and from now on, this will be known henceforth as the Craigslist Civic. Now, like I said before, this is going to be known as the Craigslist Civic. I picked this fine specimen up on Craigslist after months and months and months of looking around for the low price of $1,000. Now, this isn't exactly what you would call the most exceptional car that you could get, but for $1,000, I believe it's the bargain of a century. The car was purchased with 177,000 miles on it. It needed no repairs whatsoever. The interior of this vehicle was in immaculate condition. The only thing that I have done for it so far is change the oil, change the fuel filter, and drive it. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Honda Civic EX came equipped with a D16Y8 single overhead cam VTEC engine. Redlines at 7,100 RPMs, makes 127 horsepower. It was purchased with this atrocious looking intake that I don't mind having on there. It's actually not so bad. It's nice, makes a nice little noise. My final goals for this car is turbocharging, of course. Now, I've been an ASC mechanic for a long time, and I plan on doing all this by hand to show you at home how anybody with a little bit of determination and a little bit of money can actually make anything they want to happen as far as making a project car into a reality. Now, like I was saying, the car is completely stock except for said intake, of course. The only thing I've done to it so far is put energy suspension shifter bushings in it and gutted my cat, and that's about it. But like I said, in the future, coming whenever it does come, well, I guess now is the future if you wanted to be technical about it, and now we're in the future even further. But in the near future, I plan on turbocharging this vehicle, and again, it's all going to be with you by my side.